Chef Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make gourmet caramel corn. To get started, you will want a heavy bottom pot. Then add 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, 1 stick of butter, and 1½ cups of brown sugar. We will want to mix all of the ingredients together over medium-high heat until it reaches 300 degrees on a candy thermometer. My caramel just hit 300 degrees and it's ready to add to my popcorn. Be careful because this is really hot. You will want to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda to the caramel mixture and stir fast. Now I'm going to add to 11 cups of popped popcorn. Fold all the ingredients together. You'll want to fold the caramel in. This prevents the corn from breaking up. It also helps give everything a nice, even coating. You'll want to work fast because as soon as you pour the caramel into the bowl, it starts to harden. And we want to give it enough time to get everything that nice coating. Now I'm going to add in some of my chocolate chips and some coconut. And again, for gourmet caramel corn, it's whatever you want to add to it. It's perfect just the way it is, but it tastes really good when you experiment with different types of nuts and seasonings. Okay, now I'm just going to put it on my parchment-lined baking sheet. Okay, now spread it out evenly. And I like to add a sprinkling of salt at the end. Now, just let it cool to room temperature or until the caramel hardens. This is Chef Mariko showing you how to make gourmet caramel corn. Enjoy.